Good morning, students, again. So let us solve uh, one more numerical which is based on your first unit. So for that, let us write down the problem statement. A steam power plant, a steam power plant has coal consumption of 165 tons per hour. Calorific value calorific value of coal is 3500 kilocalorie per kg. If the power generation is 250 megawatt, okay, find the overall efficiency of the plant. Use relation 1 kilocalorie 1 kilocalorie is equals to 4.18 kilojoule. Okay, so let us solve this numerical, but prior to that, let's read out the problem statement. Okay, so a steam power plant has coal consumption of 165 tons per hour. Calorific value of coal is 3500 kilocalorie per kg. If the power generation is 250 megawatt, find the overall efficiency of the plant. Use relation 1 kilocalorie is equals to 4.18 kilojoule. Okay, so let us write down the given data first. So power generation means what? Power generation is nothing but the output, which is equals to 250 megawatt, which will be equals to 250 into 10 into 100 kilojoule per second. Okay, then coal consumption is equals to 165 tons per hour. Okay, so 165 into 1000 divided by 3600 will be equals to kg per second. ठीक है, so calorific value is equals to 3500 kilocalorie per kg, and which is equals to 3500 into 4.18 kilojoule. Okay, so overall efficiency is equals to output upon input multiplied by 100. Okay, so over here output is nothing but the power generated, and input is nothing but the heat supplied, heat supplied, and which is multiplied by 100. Okay, so over here power generation, power generated multiplied by heat supplied means what? Coal consumption multiplied by calorific value of fuel, and that is multiplied by 100. So power generated is nothing but the 250 multiplied by 100. Then coal consumption is 165 into 1000 divided by 3600. Okay, and the calorific value is 3500 multiplied by 4.18 and into 100. Okay, so if you calculate this in the calculator, 250 multiplied by 100 divided by 165 into 3 brackets I am going to put 165 into 1000 bracket complete divided by 3600 bracket complete multiplied by 3500 into 4.18 bracket complete and final bracket complete. So it comes around multiplied by 100, again multiplied by 100, so it is coming around 37.28. Efficiency, overall efficiency is coming around 37.28. So efficiency is nothing but the 37.28 percentage. Okay, so I hope you might have understood this particular problem. That's it from my side. Thank you so much, all the best.